Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how I got this look called the ponytail packing hairstyles. I'll be teaching you how I got this particular hairstyle, so please watch the full video. Thanks for stopping by. So the first thing you do, make sure you comb your hair very well. Make sure the hair is well combed then before you start. Then if you want me to show you how I normally care for my hair routine, you can comment down below. I'll be sharing hair routine videos with you guys. So what you do, take in your thread or your rubber band, then you tie the hair up. Depends on what you want. You can use rubber band or thread. Make sure you tie it like this and keep combing it so everything can be packed in one place. Then you can start tying it. Don't tie it too tight, just tie it the way you're comfortable with. Tie it until you're sure that it is well tied enough that you can sew the ribbon on top of it. Then you can bring out your extension. Please, extension is optional. If you don't want to use an extension, that's up to you. It's not compulsory. You can just braid your hair like that and start sewing, but I just decided to use extension since my hair is not that long, so that it will be a bit tight. But extension is optional, guys. Then immediately you finish tying it or using the extension, you can start putting your gel. Depends on what you like. Like me, I prefer using gel, or I also prefer using edge control, but it depends on what you want. You can start applying your gel. Make sure the hair is well gelled. You can start putting the gel like this and start combing it. This is the method to make packing gel style. Keep applying the gel, and you make sure that when you are applying the gel, make sure it's smooth. Make sure you use your hand to smooth it. Then you can now bring out your weave-on. I've used this weave-on in one of my videos, but that one was on that dummy video, which people requested that I should do it on my head. So this particular weave-on is called the Afro weave-on. It's an expression product, so decided to use it again. Placing your needle to all the weave-on, then you can start sewing. You can sew all of them at once. Like me, I like sewing all of them at once, but depends on what you want. You can sew them one after the other, but decide to sew all of them at once so that it can be well full and can be quick. Then you place it on your head, then you can start sewing. Please guys, my camera went off when I was making this video. I'm so sorry. I apologize. Please don't be offended. That's why I could not film the end of the video. That is why I placed the end result, which I use pictures as the end result. Please don't be offended. My camera went off. I'm very sorry. You will see the end result at the end of the video with some pictures. Please, I apologize. All you do, you just sew the weave-on around that just sew the weave-on around the place that you tied. That's all. Just sew it round. You have gotten the packing gel or ponytail hairstyle. It's that simple. Please give it a try, and please, if you're giving it a try, you can snap the picture and show me on Instagram. If you have any questions to ask me, you can DM me on Instagram, Nefe_tips. You see the link down below. Instagram page, or you can go my about page on YouTube. You're going to see my Instagram there. You can DM me on any style you want. Sorry guys, my camera went off. I apologize. So guys, this is the finished look. Hope I tried. This is the finished result. I use my edge control at the edge. Use it to slip it very well. I'm sorry guys, I could not film it because my camera went off, but I'll be doing another tutorial on ponytail hairstyles or packing hairstyle with long wave on. So please guys, stay tuned. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing styles. Thank you all for watching. Bye.